have you ever tried really reaching out for the other side? I may be climbing on rainbows, but baby, here goes. Dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering what this song is leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. No, you don't know me well, and every little thing only time will tell. If you believe the things that I do, and we'll see it through. Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. Baby, you know that dreams there for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if I chose the one I'd like to help me through, I'd like to make it with you. I really think that we can make it, girl. I really think that we can make it, girl. Hey, have you ever tried?
Huwag kang maniwala dyan, di ka niya mahal talaga. Sayang lang ang buhay mo kung mapupunta ka lang sa kanya. Iiwanan ka lang yan, mag-ingat ka. Dagdag ka lamang sa milong-milong babae nga. Akin ka nalang, iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka nalang, at wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman ako bolero, katulad ng ibang tao. Ang totoo'y pag nandyan ka, medyo nabubulol pa nga ako. Malangis lang ang dila hihigit pa sa'yo. Di naman sa sinisiraan ko ang pangit na yan. Huwag ka dapat sa'kin magduda, hindi kita pababayaan. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Iingatan ko ang puso mo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. Liligaya ka sa pag-ibig ko. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang. At wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo. Akin ka na lang.
Full moon, bedroom, stars in your eyes. Last night, first time that I realized the glow between us felt so right. We sat on the edge of the bed and you said, I never knew that I could feel this way. Love today can be so difficult, but what we have I know is different. Cause when I'm with you the world stops turning. Could I love you anymore? Could I love you anymore? Could I love you anymore? Sunrise time flies, feels like a dream. Being close, inhaling, hard to believe. 7 billion people in the world, finding you is like a miracle. Only this wonder remains. Could I love you anymore? 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 The question's rhetorical. Could I love you anymore? Does this feel phenomenal? Could I love you anymore? Love is all. Could I love you anymore? It's inexhaustible. Could I love you anymore? Oh, love's unstoppable. Could I love you anymore? Love is all this Could I love you anymore? Could I love you anymore? Could I love you anymore?
bang may gusto akong sabihin sa'yo? Magmula nung nakita kay naakit ako. Simple lang na tulad mo ang pinapangarap ko. Ang pangarap ko. Kaya sana'y maibigan mo ang awit kong ito para sa'yo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, mahalin ang katulad mo, sana ay mapansin mo. Dahil simple lang ang pangarap ko, maging ikaw at ako ang tanging ligaya ko. Simpleng tulad mo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Alam mo ba na lalo kang gumaganda, sinta? Sa simple na katulad mo, ako'y nahulog na nga. Lahat ay gagawin ko para mapag-ibig ka, sinta. Kaya sana'y